What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the CONBOLA Portable 2-in-1 Fan Light Combo. Big shout out to the company CONBOLA for sending this over for a review. I'll drop a product purchase link down below. So some of the features and details. This is a durable and sturdy fan light 2-in-1 combo. It has a 4-speed quiet brushless motor that's going to be low, medium, high, and super high. You have a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. You're going to get about 8 to 36 hours of use out of it. Now the input watt voltage is 5 volts to 2 amps. You get an output of 1 watt to 6 watts. It is Type C and USB. Has a bright LED light as well. Has 3 different modes. Mode 1 is going to be soft light. Mode 2 is bright light. And mode 3 is strong light. It features a hanging hook design, 270-degree adjustable head, and it comes in 4 colors: light green, green, army green, and black. Now it's going to run you anywhere from $29.97 to $36.99. It depends on if you pick up the 10,000 milliamp hour battery one or the 20,000 milliamp hour battery. So this has a $7 discount coupon that you can apply as well. So here's the packaging that it comes in right here. You guys see that it's a portable fan, X23, USB A plug right there, and Type C. Rechargeable battery, brushless motor, 270-degree adjustable head, multiple circuit protection, 5 volts to 2 amps, quick charging, safe and noiseless. So that is the packaging there. Here are some specs on the device here, the size of it right there. And then on the back, it's going to tell you the colors and things like that. I'm not sure what color they sent me out, but here's the brand name right here as well. So we're going to go ahead and get this out of the packaging and come back and let you guys see the product. Okay, guys, so we're back in. As you guys see, I have the black one, but it comes in different colors as well. Comes with the pamphlet right here, specifications, and it gives you a lot of information that you need to operate this and things like that. You guys can see right there. And you also get a Type A to Type C charging cable. Now, you don't get the brick, but a lot of companies are not putting that in there right now. So here's the device, very small. You guys see the fan is very small compared to my hand. This is adjustable. That is the 270-degree adjustable head right there. Do have some branding right there, and it's all plastic. You do have a carrying handle right here, and this is the back of it right here. So you do have your charging ports right here, USB-A and USB-C. And like I said, you can charge your phone. Let me get my phone out, show you guys that it will work. We're going to go with the Type A. You do have Type C as well. This will just show you that it will charge the iPhone or any phone that you have or tablet. As you guys see, it is charging the iPhone. So it's a 10,400 milliamp hour battery. It's not going to be quick charge or anything like that, so be mindful of that. And you do have your hanging hook at the bottom. So if you're out camping or something, or your workshop or wherever, and you need to hang it, this is 360-degree rotating right there. And finally, at the bottom, you do have a clear fan in there as well, blade. And finally, at the bottom, you have your buttons here for your fan. You got your percentages for your battery and the speed of your fan as well. And then you got your fan right here too. So let's go ahead and turn on the light. So that is the lowest light setting right there. That's mode 1, soft light. Mode 2 is bright light. And then this is strong light. So as you guys see, very nice light here. So if you're out camping, like I said, or sitting on your deck at night or something, then that's going to be very nice. And there's your LEDs letting you know how much power you have left. And then here's the fan. So that is at 25%, and it's showing me that I have 75% of the battery left right there. That's 50% of speed. That's 75% on the speed. And this is the super high speed right here. And I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but it's not very loud. And it's putting out some nice wind right here as well. So very nice right there. Nice, sturdy, good looking device here. Not very big, as you guys see. Here it is in comparison to my whole hand. Has a great price as well, and flexible head right here as well. So I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H. I'm out.